So it dawned on me that I should probably share something that I've been doing for several years. And um, while it is possible today to buy a wallet that has an RFID shielding built into it, it's actually real easy to make your own and actually very inexpensive. Long story short, any credit card that's got a chip in it also has an RFID feature that you can take the card and touch it to a payment device at a grocery store, gas station, what have you, it doesn't really matter, and make your payment, RFID. Unfortunately, the bad guys out there, some nefarious characters, have found a way to build a sensor and come by and pass it over your wallet in your back pocket or against your purse. It doesn't really matter where the wallet is. They can find it and they can scan it and get all the information from all of your cards, because they operate at different frequencies typically, and they can do bad things. They can get a hold of your they can duplicate your credit card. So anyways, what I do is I go ahead and add my own liner to the wallet. All right, and what I use is a couple layers of aluminum foil covered with packing tape. This is several years old. It holds up very well. I've replaced it maybe once. And you just tuck it inside the outermost layer of your wallet. Get in there. All right, so it's a pretty snug fit on mine. And when your wallet's closed, you've got layers of protection that prevent this from being read by those sensors. And to prove the point, I'll take this back out, and I'm at a hotel that uses these types of RFID chips in their room keys, and you touch it to the doorknob and it opens up. With the foil protection in the wallet, it won't. So let's see how this works. So, chip-enabled card, we hold it, and it unlocks. Liner in the wallet, card behind the liner. No bueno. Take that back out. So you can see how easy that works. Cheap, simple protection for your credit cards or other cards.